As many of you already know, a plane carrying the Arsenal women's team back from their Champions League semi-final first leg with Wolfsburg burst into flames on the runway on Sunday evening. The incident occurred at the Braunschweig-Wolfsburg airport after a bird flew into the engine shortly before it was due to take off, causing a loud bang. Flames immediately started to come out of the left engine of the Boeing 737, and the pilots on board quickly evacuated the passengers, including Arsenal's first-team squad, to safety. Arsenal later released a statement that the women's squad had arrived home safely and the team was now gearing up for their upcoming games. Thanks for watching and subscribe.